A massive leak reveals everything about the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So guys, Samsung is expected to be unveiling two new foldable smartphones, two new smartwatches, and a new set of true wireless earbuds during its event on August 11, 2021. However, ahead of the Galaxy Unpacked event, all those devices has been leaked courtesy to Even Blast. Now in this video, we are going to discuss particularly the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is going to be coming with absolutely great spec. Notable leakster Even Blast has shared the 360-degree videos, which gives us every angle of the device what this device is to be capable of. So basically, if we compare the images of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 2, you will be noticing that we have a smaller gap when it is closing than the predecessor. Also, there is going to be two microphones on the top of the device, and there is going to be a much bigger speaker grill, which means it's coming with 10 holes rather than 8 holes which were coming on Z Fold 2. Also, it's going to be a bit smaller in the camera bump than its predecessor. While talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 display, we are going to see a 7.7-inch of inner display, which is going to be for the first time coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate, and also it's going to be supported by S Pen, which is tremendously great option to have inside the Z Fold 3. Also, the Z Fold 3 will be the first ever device which is going to be coming with an under display camera sensor, which is even great option we have. But do keep in note that the under display camera sensor which is coming may not have a great quality. The inner display is also going to be even better than the last year model, because this time around we think that the ultra thin glass technology is going to be even much improved, and there is going to be less crease on the front of the device. Moving on to outer display, we have a 5.4-inch of an outer display, which is also going to be supported by 120 Hz of refresh rate. The outer display is also going to be supported by Gorilla Glass Victus as well. Anyhow, the inner display front-facing camera is going to be of 16 megapixel, whereas a 10 megapixel of a sensor is going to be seen on the outer display. It's also going to be coming with a triple camera setup on the back side, with the main sensor is going to be of 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel of telephoto lens. Alongside with that, it's coming with an LED flashlight. So all in all, this is going to be a little bit on a disappointment in terms of the camera performance, just because of the fact that we are going to see the same sensor which we have already seen in the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Anyhow, moving forward towards the internals, we are going to see the Snapdragon 888 processor inside the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is going to be based on 5nm architecture, and performance wise it's going to be even better. Also, the device is going to be supported by two different variants, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, and 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage, and their storage is based on UFS 3.1. Unfortunately, we are not going to see any card slot inside the device. And here moving forward, we are going to see 4400 milliamp of a battery capacity, which is going to be split into two different sections. Also, it's going to be coming with a fast wired charging of 25 watt, a fast wireless charging of 11 watt, and also it's going to be supported by reverse wireless charging of 4.5 watt. Anyhow, it is expected that we are going to see the charger inside the box. The expected price that this device is going to be launching is going to be $1,599, and we can also expect a great trade-in deals if you have already purchased the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So guys, all in all, this is going to be pretty amazing device. It's going to be featuring a best of the best spec sheet inside a foldable device. Anyhow, I'm looking forward towards the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.